Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can plan out the snowflakes effect and how you can apply it to your videos in CapCut PC. Alright, so go to media and import your videos or just photos that you like to edit. And for example, I'm going to add the video to the thread and go to back um, to add the snowflakes. So where the effect you can find in Christmas pack, and here's snowflakes, but it is perfect, and you have to join progress to be able to use this effect. So just download and add to the track and adjust for iteration, and you can change for the blur option, and then you can change for the color, filter, strength, noise, size, and speed. Alright, that's it. So you can see for the final result like this. So that's how you can add snowflakes to your videos in CapCut PC. Yeah, this is a simple tutorial, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.